Hi, we need to divide here x cube plus 1, x cube plus 1. This we need to divide by x square plus 5. And then we need to find out the possible degree of quotient, right? So here we have this is given as here x cube plus 1 divided by x square plus 5. The first step is the dividend should be in decreasing order of degrees. So here the power is 3, here the power is 0, so it's fine. And divisor also in decreasing order of degrees. So here power is 2, here the power is 0. That is fine. The next step is the first term x cube divided by x square. So x cube divided by x square. That will get it as x. We write x in the quotient. Here we have. Then x multiplied with x square. This will give x cube plus x multiplied with 5.